Hello, fifth grade. Good to see you again. I had a request for a video to be made about parts of a circle, so I'm happy to do it. If you ever have any questions, please let me know what I can do to help you. I know this is kind of different where I have to make a video, where you have to meet on Google Hangouts, but if you ever have a question, please ask. I want to come help you. So, parts of a circle. Parts of a circle will help you with lesson 7 in our unit 7. Also, this will help you with quiz 3. I'm also going to let you know that it is not going to be on your final Unit 7 test. So next week when we do our Unit 7 test, you don't need to review parts of a circle, but this will help you with this week's assignment. So let's go over it together. One part of a circle is a diameter. A diameter is a line that goes straight through the center of the circle. This could be straight through the center of a circle like this, or it could come from the top down, or it can come from any angle. The diameter is a line that goes through the center of the circle. A circumference is the measurement around the circle. So don't be confused when it talks about diameter and circumference. Those words are very close together, it seems like, but circumference is what goes around the circle and diameter goes through the circle. And usually when they talk about circumference in your lesson, it's talking about measurement. So remember, measurement equals circumference, diameter equals line. A couple examples of diameter would be the lines going through the center of the circle. So it could come from the top down from any angle as long as a line goes through the center circle. This is a diameter, this is a circumference. Don't get those confused. A radius is any line that goes through the center of the circle and goes out. So halfway through, half of a diameter is a radius. And a radius, again, could be from any angle, from straight over or from the side up, like my purple line here. These are both radiuses, or radii for plural. A chord is a kind of line that goes through the circle, and it can be a diameter. A diameter is kind of a chord, but a chord can go anywhere in the circle as long as it starts in one point and goes to another point. It could be any line that goes through the circle could be a chord. A central angle is an angle that is made from a line that comes from the center of the circle. So the central angle would be like so. And speaking of angles, all circles will have angles that add up to 360 degrees. Okay, if you remember your protractor went halfway for a line, if we go all the way around, that would be a 360 circle. Okay. I also wanted to go over some of your assignment. Question 8 here. Name 3 radii. Well, I see one for sure. I see DO. That's a radii because it goes from the center out. But AB is not a radii, and CO, C, and OE is also a radius. So even though this is one straight line, if we cut it in half, this could be 2 radiuses or radii. 2 chords. Okay, so I have one chord for sure right here, BA or AB. This would be a chord because it is a line that goes through the circle. DO is not a chord because it does not go all the way through. Only CE is also a chord. Even though CE is also diameter, it is also a chord. The last 2 questions I also want to review with you because it has to do with angles. How many degrees is the sum of all central angles? We just talked about this. Okay, if we added all the angles on the inside together, if we went all the way around, it would be 360. And last but not least is our word question or word problem. My hint to you for this one would be to look for the 360. Remember, if we're talking about angles for circles, we always think 360. Okay, that's my video for circles. If you have any more questions, come meet me on Google Hangouts or email me any questions you might have. And again, if you have any questions about anything, you can always shoot me a message. Thank you.